Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. I got some more Harbor Freight tool deals for you. Some new super coupons for this week. Before we jump into those, let's jump into the 10 days of deals. So this is a deal going on today. They've got the Braun 10,000 Lumen 4-foot linkable diamond plated LED hanging shop light, bringing that in at $24.99, 54% off on this one. So pretty good deal if you guys are looking for a shop light. So there you go right there. We'll take a quick look at what deal they're going to have next. I actually picked up this deal here. This is the Apache case. This was the very first day that they were doing a deal, and this was a really good deal. 50% off the Apache case. I picked up the rifle case, and they had some other pretty good ones going on, but it looks like deal of the day for day 9, which is tomorrow, Tuesday, they're going to have the Precision Snap Ring Plier by Icon, the 8-piece set, for $30, so 60% off on that. So that might be a deal that you guys are looking for. And then Wednesday is going to be the last day, so can't see that one yet, but tomorrow we'll be able to see this one. Kind of excited to see what that one is. So we'll go ahead and jump into the super coupons that they got going on. These are going to be going on to the end of the week. May 26th is the cutoff for these. So over here we got get a free 2-in-1 nail stapler if you purchase any 2 of the 18 gauge fasteners. So your $30 value there, not too bad. This is always a good pickup for you guys that are painting. Use this a lot when I was working on my classic car doing some paint and clear coat. Only $10 for this. We don't see that get down to that very often. Over here we got the retractable air hose, and then we got your McGraw. We've seen this pretty close. Usually get it down to $49.99, so not a bad deal. They either got the hot dog or the pancake compressor coming in at $50.99. Got your earthquake at $129, and then we got the 29-gallon McGraw coming in at $500. Jump into the Automotive. They got 20% off select automotive chemicals, so that might be pretty useful for you guys. Got some shop towels for $249. Over here we got the Pittsburgh 12-ton hydraulic bottle jack for $34.99. Got the Daytona 6-ton heavy-duty jack stands coming in at $60. These are really nice. Got the Maddox ball joint service kit. Let's see what else we got. We got the code reader for $100. You got your Pittsburgh 3-ton low-profile jack for $120. And we got some straps down here for $8. Over here we got the Hallmaster 2-ball adjustable aluminum hitch, $120 for that one. You got your Syntec battery charger with the engine jump start for $140. And then over here we got a couple Badland winches, one for your UTV or your ATV. And you can use this one over here, the 12,000 pound for your truck or SUV. Those are pretty nice winches there. Got some solar panels, 100-watt solar panel. This is the briefcase style for $130. You got your water pump for $249, and then we got the Predator 3,500-watt generator coming in at $700. $100 off on that one. Got a couple more generators here. You got the 9,000-watt for $750, and then we got the 9,500-watt super quiet inverter generator. This one's really nice, coming in at $2,100. Got some hand tools, some Pittsburgh stuff here. 22-piece screwdriver set for $9. Got your pliers, 3-piece for $20. Got your ratchet here for $11.99. Actually own one of these, not a bad pickup there. Got your 7-piece socket set for $40. And then we got the Quinn 428-piece set here for $329.99. Getting some lighting and specialty. Got the Braun 4-foot. This is the 5,500 lumen shop light for $18. These are nice. Like, you can plug them into each other. Got your 6-outlet power strip for $18. And then these string outdoor lights are pretty nice. These are the LED version for $22. Got the full motion TV mount for $30. And then we've got the 1,200 lumen underhood work light by Braun for $65. Into some material handling and safety. Got some gloves here. Hardy gloves are always nice to pick up when you're at Harbor Freight. Got your pneumatic tire for $7. 1,000-pound dolly for $10. And then you got your 350-pound sawhorse by Central Machinery for $10. Got some more Hardy gloves. These are the rubber gloves. 7 mil 50 pack for $11. Got your Franklin moving blanket. These come in handy for a lot of different situations. I got a few of them myself. Coming in at $15. Got some shrink wrap for $23, and then we got the 18-inch step stool for $30. Here's the outdoor category. Looks like we got the Bauer electric pressure washer, and if you pick this up, you'll be able to get the free foam cannon, saving $35 with that one. These foam cannons are nice when you're washing your vehicle. Got your garden hose, heavy duty, or I should say extreme duty tarp for $70. The Portland pressure washer for $75. And then we got the 10-foot by 20-foot portable car canopy for $120. If you guys got this, let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section below. I'm thinking about picking one of those up. 1,200-pound utility cart for $140. Earth auger for $180. And then you got the Predator chipper for $500. Jump into some power tools. Got your Warrior recip saw. This is corded, $20. Not a bad pickup for some projects here and there. Got the Bauer speed hammer drill, corded of course, for $30. Good pickup here. And then we got the paint and mortar mixer for $80. Got the Chicago Electric compound miter saw for $114. See what else we got? Got the tile saw for $420. Got some bits here. Got the rotary bit set by Warrior for $5. And then we got the router bits for $7. Over to the left here, we got the Chicago Electric rotary toolkit, 31 piece for $18. Got the Hercules dust shroud for $20. Bauer heat gun, this is another nice pickup, $30. This one's corded also. And then the Bauer angle grinder coming in at $35. Another Bauer tool here. This is the rotary toolkit by Bauer for $40. Definitely probably pick this one up over the Chicago Electric if you plan on using it a lot. Got the Hercules palm sander for $50, and then the Hercules angle grinder for $100. Jump into some shop and garage. Got the Bowie knife, mechanical roller seat. I prefer the one that's adjustable, but this one's coming in at $33. Got the paint and stain sprayer for $40, and this is pretty nice. 20-inch high-velocity floor fan. This would be good for the shop or garage, especially with this hot weather, coming in at $45. Got the chain hoist for $55. Shop press for $150. Got the blast cabinet for $180. And then we got the airless paint primer and stain sprayer by Avani for $200. And we got some storage here. Not sure if this is a storage item, but we got the Voyager bag over here. It's a 12-inch for $549, and then we got the power strip for $25. Jump into some welding. Got the titanium auto darkening welding helmet for $70. Adjustable steel welding table for $80. And then all the way to the right, we got the Chicago Electric 125 flux welder for $90. Another Bauer tool. Got the bench grinder for $120. And then over here, they got the drill press by Bauer for $150. And if you guys are looking for a really good welder, here is the Titanium 140 coming in at $480. And then one more titanium welder down here. This is the 200 for $730. They also got some limited time coupons down here. They got the 1,000-pound capacity motorcycle lift for $500. ATV or motorcycle lift for $109.99. And then they also got the transmission jack coming in at $170. That's it, guys. That is the super coupons for this week. Just want to run through them real quick, keep you guys informed what's going on at Harbor Freight. Keep an eye on the 10 days of deals. Kind of excited to see what that last one is. Thinking they're going to save the best for last. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you guys like the video, make sure you smash that like button. If you guys like videos like these, make sure you subscribe. Hit that notification bell on. Until the next one, guys. I will talk to you later.